tell you something. Some of y'all out here buying the newest lipstick, the newest blush, and your foundation don't even match. And your skin, it ain't prepped either. But today, we're going to fix all of that. Hey girl, my name is Darlene, and on my channel, we talk about beauty, fashion, and a little entrepreneurship. And today, I'm gonna be talking about the Sephora Sales Event. Yes, girl, today. So first, a little breakdown. Now, if you're an insider, you get 10%. If you're VIB, you get 15%. If you are Rouge, you get 20%. And of course, anything you buy that's Sephora brand, you're gonna get 30% off. But instead of just telling you what is cute, and girl, you know I love cute, I'm gonna give you 12 staples that I feel like you really need in your makeup wardrobe and skincare before you start going to buy everything else. You're gonna put on a lipstick and realize, oh God, my foundation around the lips don't look good. Or you go put on the prettiest blush and girl, your skin is not as smooth as it needs to be. We're gonna talk about those staple items right now. So if this is something you're interested in, girl, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna talk about is skin. Now, I'm assuming you wash your face, girl, so I'm not even gonna talk about a cleanser. I'm assuming if you oily, you probably use a gel cleanser. If you dry, you probably use a cream or an oil cleanser. And girl, that's that. I know you're washing your face, but it's what goes on your face after that I'm a little bit concerned with. So if you are dry, this is my staple, this Biossance Rose Oil. Girl, this is so good. If you are dry, if you are mature skin, this rose oil will get you right together. Now, if you're oily, girl, skip this part. Skip this part. You're gonna be on the next part, but skip this part. This is what you're gonna use. You can use this morning and night. Now, it's summertime, so you may not wanna use it in the morning, but girl, please use it at night. Nourish your skin at night. Draw moisture to your skin at night. That's the time when your skin is healing. This is what I'm recommending that you use. This Biossance, girl, is tried and true. I have used it year after year and I keep buying it. And girl, when I get down low until I get back to the Sephora store and get what I need. So this is what I'm recommending that you incorporate as a basic item into your skincare. Now, when it comes to night, you are a midlife baddie. We are trying to fight all the lines, all the wrinkles as long as we can. We don't mind being 56. We just don't want to look like we 66. We want to look 56, between 46 and 56, right? Because I'm 56. That's how I want to look. So the next product I'm recommending is a retinol, something for you to use at night that is going to help address and target those fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to help remove all of that dead skin, girl. So I'm hoping that you're exfoliating, but in case you're not, this Dr. Dennis Gross retinol serum is great for you to use at night. You want to use it after you cleanse, before you put on your oil, okay? So you're going to cleanse your skin, you're going to put this on, then you're going to put your oil if you're a dry girly, if you're a dry baddie, then you're going to follow up with your moisturizer. This is a great first step of you tiptoeing into the retinol family. This is the first step of you stepping into anti-aging. And retinol is a fabulous product to ease you into it. And I love Dr. Gross's products. Now that we've got that part out the way, your day and your night, this is something you should be doing every single day, girl, until you close your eyes for glory. You need to always be using a moisturizer with an SPF or using a separate SPF. And the one that I'm loving right now, because it hydrates so well, and of course it has SPF of 30, is this Fenty moisturizer. I love this. I was so grateful. Honestly, I didn't buy it. It was gifted to me, but I tried it and girl, it is fantastic. But I have it here. Let me just show you because it's gonna come like this. So once this runs out, all you do is go back and buy the refill and then you just pop it back in, girl. And it travels so well. I absolutely love this moisturizer. So this would be it really will be the final step of you completing your skincare. And then now we're going to move in to the prep part of your makeup. Girl, you're trying to figure out why your foundation is not going on smooth. Why is it not lasting? Why is it not glowing? Girl, because you're not doing any prep. You have got to do prep. And I love the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. Love this product. I have talked about it. I think I talked about it all last year, probably a little bit the year before, because girl, it is the truth. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. The one I use is called Juice Boost, but girl, it gives your skin a pretty glow. So you're gonna put it on after your moisturizer, but it hydrates the skin, it draws moisture to your skin, and then whatever type of foundation you want to put on after. If you're oily, I'm sure you're gonna do a matte foundation. If you're dry, you're gonna do something a little bit, maybe now that we're going into summer, you might do something like a semi-matte that's more of a satin finish, or you may be like, girl, no, I just love the dewy look. I love all of that. So you may want to stick with a skin tint. But this, girl, is going to get your skin right and beautiful and prepped properly before you go into your foundation. Now, speaking of foundation, I get women who are midlife all the time. I want to wear foundation, but I don't want to look like I'm wearing foundation. I just want to look natural, but I don't want... Girl, calm down. Stop. I got you. Fenty's Ease Drop, girl, it's so good. It's so lightweight. It dries down to a beautiful, it's a finish that's in between a dewy finish and a matte finish. Which is, I think, considered more like a satin finish. You will love this because it's going to come out kind of like a lotion. But girl, when you get ready to spread it and to blend it, you're going to be so amazed of the coverage that it gives. I'm telling you, I just don't even know why I'm the last to know, because I just discovered this several months ago and it's been out for several years. So if you're ready to ease into a tint, girl, the Fenty Ease Drop is where it's at. Now, you want to tip your toe into contouring. I get it, I understand, but you have no idea what color, how much to use. You're just really clueless when it comes to that. I'm going to tell you, Patrick Ta has figured it out for you and for me. This contour bronzer duo compact is also the complete truth. This is what I'm using. Underneath this little flap is the cream part, and then underneath that is the powder part. Girl, what I love about this is no matter how much you get on your brush or on your finger, a lot doesn't come out. So it's kind of mistake proof. So you don't have to be fearful that you're going to use too much. My recommendation is to use a brush. Start off with a brush because it's going to help to blend out better when you're using the cream. I know you're going to use a brush when you're going to be using the powder, but girl, this right here, the color, there is several colors. This one is called She's Chiseled. So if you're like my skin tone and a little and darker, I feel like this is a perfect color. If not, girl, when you go into Sephora, they're there to help you and to help you pick out. But when I tell you that it's mistake proof, it's a good starter kit, pack, whatever you want to call it, for you who want to start off knowing how to contour and a little bit of bronzer in one. Girl, this is a sure win. Girl, it's now time to get 30% off. After all of that, you have to set it. And I honestly feel like as a midlife baddie, a pressed powder is just great for our skin because it's not too powdery. It leaves a pretty glow, a soft finish, and yet you're setting your makeup at the same time. And the beauty of this is that you can wear it by itself. Maybe there's some days you don't want to put on any liquid foundation. And so you have this powder that you can use. So it's the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. Now the one that is my all over color is called Toffee. Well, again, girl, it's not a whole lot of colors, but you may need a little bit of assistance when you go in. You will love this to then set your concealer. I use two all the time. I use a lighter one to set my concealer and then another one to set the entire face. You will love this, and not only that, you'll get 30% off. Now, girl, after all of that is done, please set it. Please set. Now, I use 2 setting sprays, but I feel like if I had to choose one, and I know y'all been waiting for the sale. You might as well go ahead and invest in Charlotte. Girl, Charlotte gonna get you right together. This Charlotte Tilbury spray, I don't know why it took me so long, so I'm hoping it doesn't take you as long. And now that the sale is going on, girl, this will be a great time to invest in the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, the original one. It is fantastic. It leaves a beautiful glow, as you can see, and you will love it. Now, you want to say, Darlene, I want to have a little fun this summer. I want to pop a red, a cute pink on my lip, something on my eyes, girl. Okay, fine. Fine. You guys were loving when I wore my black liner and black mascara, which is why I have it on today, girl. Right? I love it. So now is the time to go ahead and invest in this blue liner, which is by Urban Decay. The color is called Chaos. Girl, I love their liners. They're a gel liner. They're waterproof. They won't move. And they're so vibrant and pretty. There's no tugging when you go to put it on. Girl, this blue Chaos is where it's at. And then, girl, we back to Fenty. When it comes to the mascara. And this Hella Thick, what's the color? Hella Thick by Fenty is called Electric Blue. Is that it? Yes, Electric Blue. These two, girl, you're going to want to gatekeep this because the brightness of the blue that you're going to get in this combination, girl, is chef's kiss. You're going to love it. So now, since you want to step out the box and do something fun for spring and summer, this is what I recommend. And then finally, you're always struggling to figure out what's the right gloss. What can I put on my lips that just looks natural? Or if I also want to wear it over my lipstick. Girl, say less. This is it again by Fenty. This is, now, no, I take it back. Hold on, girl. Let me just double check something. The Fenty Lip Oil. I love her glosses, but I just started with the lip oil. Again, where have I been? I do not know where I have been, but I think it's called Hot Buns. Something buns, girl, but that's what I have on over my lip liner. And you see, it didn't change the color of my lipstick. It just gave it a beautiful shine, a little bit of shimmer. You will love this. Girl, these are the essentials that you need for the Sephora sale, in my humble opinion. So if you're shopping the Sephora sale, sis, I want you to focus on what you need and not just in what is trending. Because trends come and go, but a good base, a good foundation, girl, will carry you through. So I hope this video has helped you. If it has, of course, I want to know in the comments, girl. Let me know, what have you decided that you really need in your makeup and skincare wardrobe while the sale is going on, which goes through April 20th. Girl, get what you need, okay? You know that I'm always looking out for you, and I want you to spend your coins wisely. Okay, thank you so much for joining me for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.